I was here last week. He was interested in having a main shutoff valve. And this is where the water line enters from the meter. Comes through here and goes straight in. But once I moved the rock and the ground paper, found that, kept digging and found nothing but irrigation lines and valves. And I told Mr. Homeowner, you may want to just use that meter as your means of shutoff until you have an irrigation valve problem and they have to dig that up and fix it. It is completely packed. And probably will last a long time. But we'll explore main shutoff valve when that needs to be repaired or replaced. I was here the other day. I tell you what, the fellows who came in here Monday and did the demo, they got it done. Now they're waiting on the tile to show up so they can get to work. The homeowners are incredibly nice people, New Yorkers. And they said this is the home they're going to die in, so they want to fix it up. Go back here. This is Sean. He's one of our electricians. He's helping us out on this project today by doing all the wiring things and support if we need it. The old shower stall is becoming a linen closet, and this is going to become a single shower stall. And all you guys knows what's in that box. So I'm gonna lock the children in the room and go here, put together my parts until they get that floor open. Quick remodel. Tile guy says he will handle it from here. One shower stall. There you go. Beautiful views. I don't think these condos are much bigger than 800 or 900 square feet. That's what she wanted me to look at, give her an install price. I'm going to come in here with another guy building a support and slide it over there. I have to pull the legs out from under it. Try not to drop the air handler to the ground. So I'm gonna give her a price, we'll set it up if she wants to do it. She probably had a handyman look at it and say no, because it looks like they started. Peck Plaza. I still think it looks neat. It's a shame it's so small.